In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize product pictures in Shopify, a useful skill for any online retailer looking to enhance their store's visual appeal. Let's dive right in and make those images just right. To start, we're going to navigate to the site editor. Once you're in there, look towards the top of your screen for the page name. You're going to click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Products. This is where you'll be able to access all the templates related to your product listings. Find the particular products template you want to work with. That's the one where you'll be resizing the images. With your chosen template open, focus your attention on the product images. Click on any product image, and you'll see its properties popping up on the left-hand panel of your screen. Here, you'll get a sneak peek at all the exciting customization possibilities. It's important to note that the range of customization options you're presented with will largely depend on the theme you're currently using. Some themes offer a plethora of media customizations, while others keep it quite simple. So, don't worry if the options differ slightly from what you see in the video. Next, it's time to make some adjustments. While you might not find a direct resize option in all themes, you can still manipulate the image size by tweaking settings like the aspect ratio and media fit. Adjusting these settings allows you to indirectly alter how your images appear in terms of size and shape, ensuring they fit perfectly within your online store's aesthetic. For those of you who are keen on diving even deeper into customization, there's an option to manually resize images through the theme's code. Here's how you can do that. Look for the three dots icon, usually located in the top left corner of your screen. Click on it, and in the drop-down menu, you'll see an Edit Code option. Selecting this opens up the theme's backend, where you can manually tweak the image dimensions if you're comfortable working with code. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you should now have a clearer idea of how to resize product pictures in Shopify, making your store's visuals look polished and professional. Remember, a well-presented product image can significantly impact your customer's purchasing decision, so it's worth taking the time to get it just right. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.